You rolling coal the other day, and everybody was asking about this one. Next month she'll be a ripe age of 99 years old. It's a real Model T, 1927 Model T. I love the body style of the 27 with the turtle back. Chevy engine, but she's all steel. Henry Ford original. I always say if Henry Ford would have built them this way, they would have sold a couple more million. But I like the Chevy engines, and door sticks. But here you go. Fuel injection, and there's nothing better than that sound. And as everybody knows, loud pipes save lives. Have a good night.